Now travel to the next step, which is Per Diem. Here you can add your Per Diem related entries by clicking on the Add Per Diem button on the top right corner of your screen. Once again, your date has to correspond to the date of the expense trip. So I'm going to select the 15th, and then I'm going to select which day of my trip this is. So I'm going to select the first, and I can change the time here. So let me just say the trip started at 10 a.m. Based on the time, you will be in a position to add your meal coupons. So for this, I'm going to say what I'm not going to utilize, dinner. So click on the meals icon, and I'm going to say no against dinner, and I'll click this. When I do that, you will notice that the amount is automatically calculated and added. I'm going to add another Per Diem entry, so I'm going to click Add Per Diem once again. And this time, I'm going to choose the day as the 60th. And this is going to be my middle day. You can notice that for the middle day, you cannot change at the end. And also, your meal options will be enabled by default unless you choose to say that's not applicable or no. Finally, I'm going to add another date on the 17th. I'm going to call this the last day of my Per Diem entry for this trip. On the last day, I can change the end time. So I'm just going to call my end time at 4 p.m. And you'll notice that in the meal pickers, you do have all the options enabled. You can pick and choose based on what is applicable and what is not. Should you leave comments, you can do so by using the comment section. Finally, you'll notice that the amount has been calculated based on what you've selected. You can hit on save here.